Once in a forest there was a fox who always causing trouble and getting into mischief. One day he came across a lion who was basking in the sun. Hey Mr. Lion, you look mighty fine and mighty relaxed. What's your secret? Lion replied, Oh, I just take my time and enjoy the simple pleasures in life. No need to rush and take unnecessary risks. Fox said, You must be bored out of your mind. But I like to live on the wild side, take chances and see what happens. The lion said, That's all well and good, Mr. Fox, but sometimes these risks can have dangerous consequences. It is important to find the balance between adventure and caution. Fox replied, I see what you mean, but it's still no fun if you are always being careful all the time. See, I can sing the branch of the tree. Can you? The lion said, It's good for you, Mr. Fox. It is important to have fun and let loose occasionally. But it's also important to know when to draw the line and be responsible. What if you fell off the branch and landed on me? I could have eaten alive. That's the point, Fox said. Thanks for the lesson, Mr. Lion. Mr. Lion added, Remember, always think before act and consider the potential consequences of your action. Fox said, I will. Mr. Lion, thank you for the wise word.